Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here at Rudy Hill and all you can hear is Sharon blah 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 in the background. But anyway, my husband wanted to come here and see if there's any ulu over here because the last time he saw breadfruit here at this fruit shop here right on the corner of Rudy Hill. Yeah, see this is Rudy Hill station and it's just across the road and this is where you come. They really got some good vegetables. Look at all these nice bananas and some nice talo and kumara. They got their bags of onions, heaps of bananas for Faye, and then they got the plantain, pumpkin. He's looking for the ulu breadfruit. Look at all that pawpaw. See, this is, if you want to make poke, they got a box waiting for you. So he's, oh look, they got a lot of bok choy inside too. I already better so far. Did you find any ulu? Oh look, there's the lia packet. Yeah, this is my favorite lia. Anyway guys, we're here at the Edmonton charcoal chicken place. Look, they sell islander food guys. I just found that out now. And it's cassava, turkey tails, lamb ribs, lucipi, chop suey, keke. I think it's best to ring up if they have it on the day. Right there. And then they have the nice flaps. Then they have the cassava. And then they have the galo. You can't see it, but it's in there guys. So if you guys want to feed, come over here and get your feed. Look at all that. Got the salad, got the drinks, and got the garlic sauce. It's across the road from Pizza Hut here in Edmonton. So make sure you come here and you get you guys a nice charcoal chicken. Because that's what I got. I got me a nice charcoal chicken. I got a charcoal chicken and chips, and I'm going to get it with the garlic sauce. Because I bought a kebab next door and I want kebab and charcoal chicken, that's why. So don't forget, here we go. Oh, yum. Get the garlic sauce and that's it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Next stop, Blacktown.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
So guys, we're heading back to New Zealand now. Yeah, had a little stay, overstayed our little visit. It's only supposed to be a week, but we stayed a little bit longer because the lawyers were taking a bit too long to do what they had to do. But anyway, everything got done, so now we're heading back to Hamilton. And Elvis has gone to Hungry Jack's to get us breakfast.
I hope we have a good flight. And then when we go to Hamilton, Nico got a nice feed for us. That's all I have to say.
We arrived safe and sound in New Zealand. Then we had to do a toilet break. So what? Yeah. So guys, we made it to our room that Sharon booked for us, and we're looking forward to a nice rest because in the morning we're going to go down and have breakfast, and then we're going to do a bit of shopping, and then we're going to head out. Yeah. Look here, New Zealand, the car park. You guys are a bit expensive, huh? We parked our car here for a week and a bit. And we came back, right? Our fares are cheaper than the park. Naughty international car park. Se kuia o ia ya e kako lau whai, eh? Yeah, anyway, I'll show you guys around. Not that you can see anything. There, we parked our car. Oh, darling, I can see our car from here. Anyway, I'll show you guys our bathroom. Ta-da! Go kia, but we're getting it. Smells nice in here. You got the little soapies there.
Hey, don't talk about Elvis.
Oh, look. They've sealed the toilet so you know you're the first one to go and touch it. Excuse you. Your bag. I'll put it in the front.
Can you pass my drink, please?
I miss my kids already. Yeah. Thank you, Sharon, for looking after us. I know Desiree is very, very busy. She's always very busy, Desiree. But Sharon took care of us. And she has to take care of her siblings as well. Yeah, you little kids better listen to Sharon, eh? Fussy or go. Sharon, fussy them. Yeah, but miss them already.
Don't fussy my Valerie.
Don't fussy Valerie, fussy Julius. Fussy Lily, yeah, Julius and Gangi Valley, yeah. Oh, yeah, take this off. Yeah, Lilla, you were so... Yeah. Nala, skaku. Skaku kalangoa la fight. Yeah, bye. Mga si lele mai. Mga si malanga nga kaungu umanguya mai. Yeah. Famanguya mai ali aku ni malanga lengo mai. Lenga ku e mau mai, mau e faise ma whakau. E laki alau kau e whakau mai se pai foi alele a ima. Ia umalola ia ka ngulu loa. Whai ale whare mora ka ngaka ia. So my breakfast of choice is sausage, beans, hash brown, and some of the scrambled egg. And then I got toast, butter, and apricot jam. And Elvis got cereal and some of that. Nice scrambled egg.
Yep. It's only the entree. I'm looking for the main course.
Oh.
Thank you for coming with me, darling, to Australia. Thank you for being a good supporter on my side. Thank you for being a good mother to my kids and a good daughter to your mom and a good partner to me and being my rock, because I know without you I wouldn't be where I am today.
Excuse you.
So thank you very much. Of course, God comes first, always. Always. But I truly appreciate you for being there with me. So I think we're a good team.
I don't know about that.
Next minute,
Divorce.
divorce.
Anyway, where was my singing? Before he really just disrupted my singing with his bibello. With his bibellos. Oh, shivers. That big rain now is nothing.
Anyway, we just take our time.
Yeah.
There's no rush.
No rush.
No rush. Because it doesn't get on till 3 o'clock, so it's only 11 o'clock. So, yep.
Yeah, we bought some nice donut. Yummy.
We bought some nice food, some poke.
Fish.
We bought a fish to go home and fry. Some taro, cooked and raw. So, yeah.
Got me a kina.
It's a bit
$38. $38
It's a
for
bit
kina.
pricey, but hey,
Worth it. From Gatham. From
you
Gatham.
pay what you want. So
When I hear Gatham, it reminds me of Batman.
yeah, if you
Batman.
guys know where Gotham, the muscle place is, yeah, drop a line, because I don't know where Gotham is. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
It's gonna be really full over here. soup. Thank you.
I'm still looking for my hot dog. This,
Maybe up there.
yeah, but it looks good.
Huh? This custard is homemade, and that's how I love it.